To further enhance the performance of Artists Acrylic colour, we formulated two additives to change the performance of the colour without compromising on the high brilliance or zero colour shift. These two additives are slow drying medium and also flow improver. The slow drying medium is completely clear, so has no effect on the colour in terms of shift or depth. Its gel-like consistency means that the only characteristic to change is the drying rate of the colour. It can be mixed up to a ratio of 1:1, at which point the drying rate is doubled. This makes it particularly great for blending techniques where a longer working time or longer drying time is desirable. You can see that the consistency of the paint hasn't changed, neither has the colour. The only thing that I've changed here is the drying rate. The flow improver works by breaking down the surface tension of the water into which it's mixed. It can be mixed as a ratio of up to 10%, and this makes the colour flow much more smoothly. The colour can be heavily thinned without sacrificing any of the integrity. You can thin this down very heavily and achieve almost watercolour techniques. It's almost like you're staining the canvas. So this makes the flow improver particularly good for doing very flat, smooth areas of colour. It's also really good if you use a masking tape because it lays it down a lot flatter. You won't get a hard edge once the masking tape is removed that you would do with a thicker colour. So to sum up, there's two additives in the new Artists Acrylic Mediums range, those being the slow drying medium and the flow improver.